ZeroX Protocol Crypto Swap Platform Usage Experience. The ZeroX Protocol Crypto Swap Platform is a decentralized exchange protocol designed to facilitate secure, peer-to-peer token swaps on the Ethereum blockchain. Aimed primarily at developers, traders, and liquidity providers, this platform offers a seamless experience for those seeking to execute fast, low-cost token swaps across different dApps and decentralized exchanges, DEXs. The core feature of ZeroX is its open-source protocol, which allows decentralized exchanges to aggregate liquidity, enabling users to swap tokens without relying on centralized platforms. One of the standout features of ZeroX protocol is its ability to aggregate liquidity from multiple sources, optimizing token swaps by ensuring that users get the best possible price. It supports a wide range of ERC20 tokens, which makes it highly versatile for anyone involved in the Ethereum ecosystem. The protocol also integrates with various decentralized applications, dApps, providing a frictionless experience for users who want to trade across different platforms while minimizing the risks of front-running and slippage. For users, the process of swapping tokens is straightforward. By using dApps powered by ZeroX, you can easily select the tokens you want to swap, and the platform automatically sources liquidity from various decentralized exchanges. This reduces the time spent hunting for the best rates, making trades more efficient. ZeroX also integrates with many wallets, including MetaMask, making it easy to connect and trade tokens in just a few clicks. The platform's smart contract architecture ensures that all transactions are secure and transparent, with the added benefit of low fees compared to traditional centralized exchanges. A notable benefit for liquidity providers is the ability to earn fees by contributing to the liquidity pools. By doing so, they help ensure efficient token swaps across the network, further enhancing the decentralized nature of the platform. ZeroX also promotes a governance model, where token holders can vote on future developments and protocol upgrades, ensuring a more community-driven approach to evolution. In conclusion, ZeroX Protocol delivers a powerful, efficient, and secure platform for users and developers alike, making it an essential tool for anyone in the crypto space. Whether you're swapping tokens, integrating dApps, or providing liquidity, the ZeroX Protocol offers everything you need to engage with the decentralized finance ecosystem.